let's see if you guys can solve this without me giving you an example first. Okay, let's say I've got a triangle here. Hang on. Try and do this without me giving you an example first. Okay. Okay. Let's say I've got a triangle here. This length here is 3 meters shorter than this length here. Okay. And this length here is 7 meters longer than this length here. Okay, so basically this long length here is 7 meters longer than this length here, and this length here is 3 meters shorter than this length here. Okay, and the perimeter is 31 meters. Okay, perimeter. The word perimeter means the distance around something. So let's say you're an ant here. Imagine you're an ant. You have to walk along here, okay, and then you've got to walk all the way here. So basically, the perimeter is the distance around a shape. So if you're an ant, you have to walk along here, and then down here, and then up here. So the perimeter is like the total amount of distance that you have to walk around something. So suppose you've got a rectangle here. Okay, the perimeter of this rectangle is basically this length here, add it to this length here, and then add it to this length here, and then add it to this length here. So yeah, so the perimeter is the distance around something. Okay, so let's start again. I've got a triangle here. Okay, and this distance here, let's say this is x. This distance here is 3 meters shorter than this length here. Okay, and this length here is 7 meters longer than this length here. Okay, and the total perimeter is 31 meters. So how long is this length here? How long is this length here? And how long is this length here? So how do you do this? Remember, if you don't know something, put it into an equation. You know that if you get this length here, if you get this length here, okay, so that length here, and then you add it to this length here, whatever that is, okay, and then you add it to this long length here, the really long one, that should come up to 31. So learn to put these into an equation, and then you blindly solve it. Okay. So so basically get this length, add it to this length, and then add it to this length, and it should equal 31. So basically somehow you've got to solve for x. So press pause and have a go. I haven't given you an example, but try and do it anyway. So press pause and have a go. Okay, I will now tell you the answer. Let's say this length here is x, okay? Because we know this length here is 3 meters shorter than whatever this length is, so we can just write it as this, okay? And now the last length is 7 meters longer than our x, so it has to be x plus 7, okay? So all these exist in a bubble here. Okay, now basically if you don't know something, put it into an equation. So on this side we're told that the perimeter is 31 meters. Okay, so we can, on this side is 31 meters, on this side it's x plus that bubble there, which is x minus 3, and then plus that the last one, which is x plus 7. Okay, basically now we can just put it into an equation. So it's x plus x plus x minus 3 okay, so you can imagine this as being in a bubble there, and then plus the bubble here, minus plus 7, sorry about that, okay, equals 31. Okay, now just tidy this up. So this becomes x plus, let's just remove the brackets. Okay, plus x plus 7. Okay, now you've got your elephant, elephant, elephant. Merge all the elephants together, so that's 3x, and then you've got a giraffe. Remember, the minus belongs to whatever's after it. So giraffe here, so you can merge them together. So here you've got your number line. You start at -3. Remember, the minus belongs to whatever's after it. So you start at -3, and then you've got to add 7. So adding means you go to the right. So let's go back to 0 first. So add 3, and then add another 4. So it should be 4. So that should be plus 4 on the left hand side. Oh, this is 31 here. So take it down, Okay. So now take away 4 from both sides. So this would be 27. This would be 3x here. Divide both sides by 3. So x equals 9. So if you look at our triangle here, remember x equals 9. Okay, x equals 9. Let's go back to our triangle here. Well, remember x represents this length here, and we worked that out to be 9. So we know that this length here is 9. Okay. Well, so this length here is 9. Well, this length here is 9 take away. Well, it's 3 meters shorter than this length here. So it's basically 9 take away 3, which will be 6. So this must be 6. Okay, this length here is 9, add 7. So that should be 16. So now if you add up all these, if you work out the perimeter of this triangle here, it should be 31. Okay, if you add up all these, so let's say 9 plus 6 is 15, isn't it? 15, and then add it to this bit here would be add it to that would be 31. So the perimeter is 31. Okay.